Hey, what's going on everyone? Today we're going to be installing a new grill for the 2021 Subaru WRX STI. Currently it's just the standard black grill from Subaru, and what I picked up is a Type RA grill that has the cherry blossom red strip below it. Let me go ahead and show you guys what that is. This is it here. Alright, this is the box that it came shipped in, and this is pretty much the grill. I'll go ahead and take it out of the plastic material. This Type RA was on the 2018 Type RA Subaru WRX, and pretty much the only detail from the grill I have is this little red strip that's just built into the grill itself. Cherry blossom red, it's a little tiny detail. Some people take a little sticker, buy the sticker and just put it on their existing grill. I just wanted the exact OEM part with it built in. And what I'm going to have to do is take off quite a bit of bolts after taking off the bumper that attaches the grill to the bumper, and then there's going to be 4 clips on the top here that we're just going to release, and that's pretty much what the install entails. First things first, we are going to remove the bumper, and in order to remove the bumper we have to use quite a bit of plastic tools just to pop a bunch of clips on the bottom, the top, as well as the side. Let's get started. So check it out. This is the existing STI grill that I have. You can see based on what I showed you earlier, there is no red strip built into this thing. So some people put a little sticker here, but I had the authentic Type RA one. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the bumper first so we can pop this grill out and then reinstall it. First thing I'm going to do is just pop the hood. So I'm going to start by popping up this clip. I have a plastic trim tool instead of a flat head. And I'm just going to pop the back side here, see if it comes out. There you go. And you're just going to pull it up and try to disconnect it. And if you're having trouble pulling it out, you can get another tool as seen here. And it's just going to actually just lift this top of it out. So now, since we moved some of the clips up top, we're going to remove the ones on the bottom. There's quite a few of those ones, and the reason why we're going to do that is we're going to see how loose we can get the bumper. There's also 2 clips on the side of the bumper, one on this side and one on the other side. Alright, so with the bottom removed, we had 9 clips there. We have actually 1 on the side, on both sides, so there's going to be a total of 2. And what I like to do, because it's a push pin clip, I had to take a little Allen wrench, and what you just saw there is I pushed in the center of that clip, and that'll allow me to take it out. And with that clip removed, this side is loose at the same time as the bottom. And we're just going to go on the other side and take that one out as well. The first part of taking off the bumper is just pulling out the sides. So it's kind of a release push mechanism. And so what we need to do is actually pull out this side, and then we're going to pull the bumper out in the front. So what we're going to do is just pull along the side and just release those pins out, as you see there. And we're going to go on the opposite side. So I'm going to actually release the bumper, pull it forward. Alright, that's one side loose, and we're going to pull the other side as well. And the entire bumper should just drop down. So as you can see here, the front bumper has been removed. I have it sitting on a blanket so I don't scratch it up. We're going to go behind it and actually remove some of the screws. But I have a quick video on how to remove the bumper, including all the clips that you need, but it involves about 9 clips in the front, 11 on the bottom, and then 2 push pins, 1 on each side. And now with the bumper removed, you can see this is the OEM grill, and this is the exact one I'm going to be taking off right now. In order to do that, we're going to swing behind the bumper and remove some of the screws that I was describing earlier. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the bumper upside down and lay it on the blanket. There we have it. So like I said, there's quite a bit of screws that we have to remove. We just take a Phillips and take them all out. And we're pretty much done there. And then what we're going to do now is just release these 4 clips on the bottom, or 5 clips on the bottom, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so a total of 6 clips. All right, so the next thing we have to do is actually release the plastic clips that are holding it together. So all the screws are removed. In order to release the plastic clips, there are actually 2 kinds. So there's a little push clip on this side. Let me go ahead and take it off and show you guys. So the push clips on this side, we're just going to push it forward to release this clips, and that's going to be on the bottom section. There are a total of 6 of these, but you only need to push out 2 on each side of it, so you need to push out 4, even though there's 6. This is just one, just holds it together, but it slides out easy. So you see the 1, 2, 3, 4. This one we don't need to touch, so it's 6. And the other thing you need to do is just release these little clamps here on the front side. It's as simple as just pressing to the right if you're coming from the top side, or if you're coming from the bottom of the bumper, it's probably pulling to the left. But I'm coming from the top of the bumper, not the bottom, so that's what I have to work with. There you go. And that's it. So mostly the clips on the bottom are really holding it together. So at this point I'm going to go ahead and clean up the bumper a little bit, take a little wipe and clean it up, and then let's go ahead and compare the old and the new one. Alright, so check it out. We have the old one removed, and I'm going to show you guys the new one. This is the Type RA, as I showed you guys earlier. Just a side-by-side comparison. Virtually identical for the 2018 to 2021 Grille. I think the 2015 to 2017 might have a different front grille style. But pretty much, as you see here, layout's exactly the same. The STI logo, the Subaru logo, this kind of black trim here looks exactly the same. The mesh grille looks the same. The only visual difference is they designed the bottom part quite differently. This one has a little cutout where this little red strip is laid out, and so that's just the small detail there. If you have the final edition, you're gonna have the red stripe in the middle of this one here. So just little styling differences, but I really like the Type RA or the S209 style front grille, and that's what I'm gonna be replacing it with today. So we're gonna go ahead and install this one to the existing bumper with those 9 screws or several of those Phillips screws, and then we're going to pop the clip back in first, put the bumper back, and I'll show you guys what the final product looks like. So let's pop in the new grille. Just going to press it forward. Make sure it's perfectly in place, and then I'm going to flip it. All right, at this point I'm just going to check everything, make sure all the clips are popped in. These 2 are good, and then on this side press that a little bit more. See, that came in real quick, and on this side's good. So we're pretty much ready to put the screws back in. And let's take a look at the bumper. STI front grille, and we just need to put back the bumper. We have the bumper clip back on. All we need to do at this point is just put back all the push pins and the screws. So we're ready to put the screws back in. 10 millimeters. I'm going to put the first one. There you go. One. Perfect. And then 3 more on the other side. The side one, just a little push pin on this side. So we're going to put it in and make sure it's aligned. Make sure it's the fitment that you want. Looks good to me, and I'm just going to press it in at this point. And the same thing on the driver's side. Pops right in. All right, and the last thing we need to do is just put all the bottom clips up. We've already put the top and the side, so pretty much it's stable except the bottom, so we're gonna go ahead and get under there. It's so simple. All you need to do is press all the clips back into it, and so I'm just gonna do it really quickly and just take a look at the final product once I finish this part off. So this is the final product. This is the Type R grille for this STI. So I'm pretty excited to add it to the 2021 STI. I really like this strip. I think it looks pretty good. Let's take a look at it with the hood closed. And that's it. So I'm going to be adding a lot more parts to the STI this coming year. This is actually this first mod that I just finished. A little styling feature, but I'm going to, while the car is up, I'm going to be doing a few things on the bottom of the car for suspension, and you'll see that in other videos. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.